In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FL Studio projects syncing with OneDrive, 5 minutes. If your FL Studio projects live inside your OneDrive folders, you've probably seen slow saves, missing samples, or projects that refuse to open when you're offline. That's because OneDrive can lock or move files while you're working, and FL Studio relies on stable, local paths. We're going to stop OneDrive from auto-backing up your key user folders and then move your projects to a truly local location so your sessions stay fast and reliable. First, look down at the Windows taskbar and find the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it, click the little arrow to show hidden icons. Right-click the OneDrive icon to open its menu. In that menu, click the gear icon, then choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive control panel where we'll adjust how your files sync. In the Settings window, go to the Sync and Backup tab. Here, click Manage Backup. You'll see options for your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. Turn off backup for each of these. By default, OneDrive often redirects these folders into the cloud, and FL Studio commonly saves projects and user data under Documents. Disabling backup here keeps those folders local, preventing file locks and path changes during your sessions. If you get a prompt about what to do with existing files, read it carefully and make sure your files remain available on this device. Let the changes apply. It may take a moment. Now open File Explorer. Navigate to your OneDrive folder and locate your FL Studio projects and any sample packs or recordings you've stored there. Select those project folders and manually move them out of OneDrive. The simplest approach is to drag them to a local folder that is not inside OneDrive. For example, you could create a dedicated folder on your main drive, such as a music or projects folder, and drop everything there. Moving rather than copying prevents duplication and keeps your paths clean. Once the move is complete, your projects are no longer subject to cloud syncing mid-session. Saves should be faster, and FL Studio won't lose track of samples because of online-only files. If you still want cloud backups, consider doing them after you finish working, or back up a zipped copy of your project folders manually so the active files you're editing remain local. That's it. With OneDrive backup turned off for your key folders and your FL Studio projects moved to a local location, you'll avoid sync conflicts and keep your workflow smooth. Happy producing!